clock is ticking. You think you have time. That's the illusion. You wake up, you scroll, you delay, you tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow is not a promise. It's an assumption. And most people live their entire lives based on that assumption that there will always be more time, more chances, more opportunities, more energy. But look closer. Time is not waiting for you. It's moving. Every second, you are either building something or losing something. You don't notice it at first, because time doesn't make noise. It doesn't warn you. It doesn't stop and ask if you're ready. It just goes. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, months into years. And one day, you look back and you realize you didn't run out of ability. You didn't run out of chances. You ran out of time. This series is not here to motivate you. It's here to wake you up, to make you see what you've been ignoring. Because once you understand time, really understand it, you stop wasting it. You stop delaying. You stop living like you have forever. And you start acting like every day matters. Because it does. The clock is ticking. Not loudly, not dramatically, but constantly. And whether you act or not, it keeps moving. So the question is not, what do you want to do with your life? The question is, what are you doing with your time right now? Because your life is nothing more than time. And once it's gone, you don't get it back. This is not pressure. This is reality. You are not early. You are not late. You are on a countdown. And what you do next will define everything.